Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your RBC online banking account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will guide you through on this video, and then you can log into your bank account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser like I already did, and then go onto your search bar and just type for RBC online banking login and hit on enter. After doing so, many results will be on your screen. Click on the first link that shows up. And now this will take you to the official site of RBC. And here on the top right corner of the screen, you can also see a sign in button. You can just hover your mouse over it and tap on it. After doing so, it will take you to a different interface, where now you need to input your personal details to log into your bank account. Now, just input your client card or username right here. And if you are on your own private computer, you can tick this box for save client card or username for easier access next time. But if you have forgotten your username and want to recover it, you can use this button down here, recover your username, to help you reset and retrieve it. Now just input your username or client card, and after that click on next, and a new page will be on the screen where now you need to input your password as well. Input your username and then your password again, and then you can log into your bank account. And that's how you can log in into your RBC bank account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.